Howdy. Alright, today's challenge is the FAQ question card. Let's get this started, shall we? There was a whole nother setup to be done. We have a bunch of colors, we have a background gradient, we got the font done and their size and the rate, and we got the, all the normal stuff that I put in every single website. So we are trying to design this. Okay, let's see here. Have a second JavaScript challenge. That's fun. Okay, seems like we got a hover effect. It seems like probably like a toggle hidden type of thing. And then we also have, oh, that's gonna be fun. How are we gonna do this? Let's start with the mobile version. Sure, let's start with the mobile version. Okay, let's see. Or do I want to do desktop first? I kind of want to do desktop first because it's I like that not more, isn't it? Yeah. Hold on a second. I have not done a responsive website for like 4 months. Media screen. I forgot. Media screen and then max. Screen and media only screen and max width. I'm pretty sure I got to do this before, right? Yeah, I think this was right. All right. Well, let's get that started, shall we? All right. First off, desktop version. Okay. All right. I think we're gonna put all these into a div and then probably separate them by 2 divs, and then probably do like a flex display. Yeah, let's try that. So first off, we have a div, and then we will have 2 divs. Nice. Oops. Okay, and then we got how many teams? Oh, okay, cool. So all of this is in the second div. Okay, cool. And I'm assuming that the sentence after each question is the one that I'm supposed to be hiding. Okay, got you. Okay, so what do I want to do with this? I could put all of them in the paragraph. Maybe like a div, and then in each div there's a paragraph. Div with 2 paragraphs, the second paragraph is hidden. Yeah, let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will have 5 divs with a paragraph times 2. Oh, whoops. Div plus paragraph times 2. I have forgotten how this works. Paragraph times 2 times 5, adding. Actually, no. I got better way. Aha! Just need to organize them a little bit. There we go. Nice. Oh. There we go. See, while I'm doing this, how am I gonna do the image? Probably, probably the spirit. Have to be something with absolute, I believe. Yeah. Div, overflow hidden. This box will have to be absolute. Okay, that's gonna be fun. Which one of these is? Okay, so that's the mobile version, which I don't need right now. That is the arrow for the JavaScript. This is the box. Okay, these three. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. Got you. First, let's set up the background, shall we? Background, we are going to do the variable of background gradient. And then we are going to do no repeat. And then we are going to do background size cover. And that should allow. Oh, wait. We also need to do make the height equal to 100 real height. There we go. Nice. We also want to center it, so let's do display flex. And then we will do justify content center and then align item center. There we go. Nice. I wonder. Do they both have? Yes, they do. Okay, so what am I going to call this? I think what I'm going to do is, instead of calling it div, I'm going to change this to main. So now I'm going to edit the main tag, and then I am going to give it a background color of the variable. Oh, they don't have a color for it. Alright, let's go FFF. That looks nice. And I'm going to do my divider or organization comment, which is quite useful, I would say so myself. Probably padding of 2 RAM. That look great. Okay, let me just put it in my other screen so I can see. That's interesting. Why is this one? Oh, unless this one has absolute positioning as well. Because that is a lot of empty space here. That's gonna be something. Let's do border radius. If I can spell that correctly. No, that looks like 20. Alright, so that looks about right. For the image, how am I gonna add the image? Because I feel like this image isn't part of the div at all. I don't work much with images at all. Um, let's start with the background pattern, shall we? Oh, there. And then we are going to display X. No, I don't believe that this is in the div. Oh, am I gonna set the width as well? Set the height and width, then how do oh, wait, no. I will set it as a background image. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay, so this is going to be called the images illustration. Oh, whoops. I don't know where I close, but hopefully I don't need that. Okay, all right, that looks pretty good. And then let's do main image. Just edit the main image tag. Right. Could just be another background image on top of the other background. If that's the case, how am I going to do it? Maybe padding and then background image 1, move this background image 2. This one will be, yeah, that'll be position absolute, and then that's a mobile version. Oh, I see. It's okay. That's interesting. Main position relative, and then we'll do position absolute. Oh wait, hold on a second. Position after mute, and then left. No, you see, because it doesn't work because there's going to be empty space here. Which means Just can't be absolute. That's gonna be interesting, ain't it? Background. Wait, but that doesn't work, will it? Because if I change this background to an image, your L. Oh wait, hold up. Images, and this is gonna be the background pattern. And then we will do background repeat, no repeat. So there's only one, and then we will edit this a little bit by moving it. As I can't spell background. Background position, nav center. Oh, okay. Never mind. That doesn't really work. However, because it doesn't. Oh, you can just. Got you. You can just use the percentage instead of. Got you. Okay. So it would be. Wait, no. This is the. That's what's that normally. So we do 50%, that should be center. And then we do negative 50, that should not quite 100. Oh, there, that is not. Can I do it with pixels? I can. Oh, dang, how big is this image? Okay, so basically we gotten what we needed to do. Cool. Let's edit the second div a little bit first. That is going to be FAQ. Nice. And then we are going to text line. Seems like we're about to center this. Huh. Okay, let's see here. So we are going to give them a class of hidden. On the second paragraphs on each of these divs. Nice. And then we are going to give them each a... Well, first we'll need to increase the font size a little bit for each one of these. So let's change the paragraph tag font size. We are going to change the font size a little bit bigger, I assume. But there was no reason for making this the font size 12 in the style guide, which means it's probably about padding. Yeah, I think it's about padding. So let's do... Let's give this an ID, and I'm going to call this the FAQ, sure. So FAQ. Cool. Let's go each div and FAQ. Let's give them a margin. Yeah, margin bottom about 1 rem. And then for the H1, we are going to, since there's only 1 here, I'll just do it like this. Margin bottom, 1 rem. Nice. Is it me or like the text doesn't really look... Font rate does not look the same. I'll increase it a little bit. Yeah. Font size 12? Nah, let's do like probably like 16 or something like that. Okay, that looks pretty good. I do say so myself. Oh, how am I going to add the image at the end? Yeah, because that's going to be a button. Right, after each div, there is going to be a horizontal line, so probably like a border. Yeah, let's give it a border. Border bottom. Solid, and then we're going to give them the color of the divider. Nice. And it seems like there is some kind of padding as well. And it's probably for the paragraphs. So let's do it here for all the paragraphs. Do padding bottom 1 rem. Nice. I still feel like there's something wrong with the padding. Let's do 3 rem. Oh, okay, don't do that. Alright, because that also goes with the div. Whoops. So we do something like this. Aha! Should be probably more. Okay, I'm not sure. I feel like that's pretty good. I think I will try to add the image at the end of this paragraph, and maybe I can be able to. Oh wait, no. The user is gonna be clicking on this, and then it will rotate a 180, and then it will show the text. Uh-oh. No. We'll change this into a button. Yeah, we'll just change this into a button. Or I can keep this as an image and then give them the crest of rotate when they click on it, like a toggle. Yeah, I might keep that as an image. Okay, so how am I going to make it so that it's like that? I can't give them a margin because it seems like each one of these are in sync, which means I'll need to. Mm, no, not that. I'm looking for like the image at the end of riff. Not stretched. What's the question I'm looking for? Or I'm trying to ask. The image at the end of the riff. Wait, hold on a second. Now forget about that image. What happens if I set each of the first paragraphs into a div themselves and then set them into a display effects? So with this div, we will do something like this, and then we will grab the image and do something like this. We will do display effects on the div inside of the div in the FAQ ID. So we'll do display effects. Okay, that's not what I thought that would happen. And effects direction. No, the effects direction is in a row by default. So we do effects. Row? Oh, gap. Maybe not. No, that's the same thing as that's the padding, isn't it? Yeah, that's the same thing as the padding, basically. So what happens if I do? Oh, what happens if I change the image size itself? So I do with 100 pixels. Let's say no, that's too much. 10 pixels. All right, let's do 10 pixels. Width 10, height 10 pixels. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then let's do justify content space between, and then let's do align items in the center. That's not in the center. What we'll also do is change the width by 200 pixels to see how that works. Huh. Why is there just space in the paragraph? Which is a huge question I'm having. Is that wait, it's not because the arrow is not in the middle. It's the paragraph itself is not in the middle. What? Add width and height 100% to text and add text align center. Text align center. Okay, I'll try that. So right do and then it says width is 100% and height is 100% of the container. Wait, what happens if I take the padding from the paragraph array? Yeah, because I think that's what's messing it up. So instead of putting the padding at the bottom there, I am going to add the padding to the bottom of this div. Alright, there you go. That has the same effect. Nice. Okay, so that works. Now the bigger question I have now is that how do I get this empty space between them? They probably have a set width for each one of them. So FAQ. That kind of looks about right. If I do say so myself, actually. Let's make it 350 pixels. And let's go back to 400. Yeah, I feel like 350 was right. However, I'm not sure about the width. Okay, there we go. That looks about right. Then it's just 380. Yeah, 380 looks about right, I think. Yeah, cool. All right, where is the divider? It's in the div. So I think what I'm going to do is put the divider. Ooh, that's a problem. Um, there you go. This will make it so that it will only target the div inside of the FAQ, not every div in the ID FAQ. All right. Hey, that looks pretty good. All right, cool. And now I'll just I'll just need to do that to every single one of them. So I'm just going to copy and paste that to each one. And then I am going to just cut and paste these. How's that looking? Oh, that's looking pretty good. Okay. Right. And then we can just press backwards on these because it's really readable. All right. Next up, we'll need to make it so that we can click on the arrows. So what we're going to do is this again, and then we will make it so when the user hover over it, the cursor is going to change to pointer, and then we will need to make a new class, and I'm going to call this the show. Show. And let's put it on this image first to see of it how it works. So I'm going to do rotate 180 degrees. Haha, never mind, that's not how that works. X. How do this work? X, Y, axis, round, rotate element, the plus angle, three numbers representing the origin, center, vertical, defines a line around you. Okay, so we do X and then 180%. Does that work or no? No. Okay, cool. Oh, wait. X, Y, Z? Angle, numbers, and angle, invert, inherit, initial, event. Eh? Well, then again, I never rotated something once, so rotate image. How it says, oh, there. Oh, I see. Transform, rotate. Wait, hold on a second. What's the difference from transform, rotate, and rotate itself? Transform, rotate. Oh, that's transition. Transform, rotate. Degree. Wait, hold on a second. What's the difference from transform, rotate, and rotate? Best with angle, but movement would be clockwise, or negative would be counterclockwise. Oh, it's a result of a transform function. Okay, got you. That's why. Oh yeah, I still forgot about that box, but it's fine. Good. And now we get to the fun part, which is JavaScript. I'll tell you what, I might be a little bit rusty on all these CSS, but JavaScript, I know JavaScript. All right, so let's grab the document. All right, we're gonna let what do we call this? Arrow? Let's call this arrow. Arrow select, it goes to document, query selector, no, query selector all. And we'll be selecting all the images in the IDFAQ. And for each let's set that to I, thank you. We'll select length, and then we will increment it. And how we're going to do this is when the user selected, so we do it will select add an event listener. Oh, I forgot the I. Add the event listener, and then we will make it a quick. And when the user click on it, we will give it a function where we are going to hide depending on where the user has clicked. So what we're going to do is oh yeah, so we're gonna get net para hidden equal to document dot query selector all, and that is going to be in that's just going to be selecting all the hidden. Or am I going to do that? Wait, hold up. No, because when I toggle the hidden, they're going to be gone. So that means it's not going to work anymore. Because I definitely think that the user or this challenge want me to show and hide it. So I think instead I am going to choose the FAQ div and then inside of another div? No. And then the paragraph. Or I can make this a lot easier by giving them each a class, and I'm going to call detail. Which I don't know about you, but I think that's going to be quite helpful. I would say so myself. So we are going to select all the detail classes, and I am going to, when the user selects the arrow select, arrow select class list is going to be toggling the, what did I call that? Show, right? Alright, let's see how that works. Uh-oh. Equal to dog selector image, and when the user clicks on it. Alright, we forgot the most important part. Is you add it to the HTML. Hey, there we go. Nice. Next up, we are going to select all the pair hidden, and that's going to be the same index. And crassness toggle hidden. Hey, look at that. And all these should work. Yep. All right. However, as you can see in the design, that is a little bit too big. So we'll need to lower it a little bit. All right. So let's do. Well, good thing I added a class as well, because I can edit that quite easily. I would say so myself. So let's put a bit note here. So I'm going to edit all the detail classes. I am going to change the font size to 12 pixels, which I believe is what they have given us, but let's increase it a little bit, shall we? How's 14 pixels? Okay, that looks pretty good. Nice. And then for detail, your color is going to be the variable of dark. No, I think it's dark grayish. Dark grayish blue. Oh yeah. Okay, nice. And then we will also want to give a margin at the bottom from each one of these. Bam. All right, how's this against this? All right, that's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all. All right. Next up, we will definitely need to make this a bold color, and then we will also need to change the color of this, because I believe if we look at this, it is not black. It's like, yeah, it's like a very dark grayish blue, because there's a. Wait, hold up. Why is there soft red and very dark blue? Oh, wait, that's the bold color, and the soft red is when you hover over it. Got you. I see how that works. Oh, never mind. You're not supposed to hover over the image. You're supposed to hover over the paragraph themselves. One list, yeah, I can see a way someone can do this by using list. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, instead of the image hover, probably it would be the div, I believe, right? Yeah. So that's fine. Yeah, there we go. And then I will change the counter to the variable software. Yeah, there we go. Got you. Oops. So this is not the image. It will be div. I will still keep it the same. Oh, there. Oh, because yeah. Oh, I see. Okay, I'll make another select. This is going to be the image, which is going to be the arrow select, and then this is going to be all the what would I want to call this? Let's do questions. Yeah, sure. Did I spell that right? I hope so. Questions, there you go. Now, there you go. Look at that. JavaScript too good. Okay, next, let's change all the first paragraph colors. So what we're going to do is edit the paragraph inside of the div and the div inside of the HAQ. So let's do this one right here. We are going to change the color to the variable. That variable is going to be very dark grayish blue. Nice. And then we are going to then, what do we want to do? Probably add another class, change. Yeah, we could do that. Probably like change it to, maybe give them like a title class bold. Sure. Oh wait, no, I don't need to add a new class. I would just do it here. No, it changes the first paragraph, not the yeah, never mind. So we are going to add another class and I'm gonna call it bold. Yeah, let's call it bold. It's really nice and simple, really. I'm actually just changing it to bold, so let's change the font size. No, let's change the font rate to 700. Yep. And then let's change the text decoration to, no, text decoration is the underline, right? Not the bold. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, font rate is where we put the bolds. Okay, cool. So we are also going to change the color to the variable. And we are going to change it to very dark blue. Okay, so we will also want to select all of the paragraphs. So we will do okay, I guess I'll need to change this again. This would be on the paragraph inside of the div in the div of the FAQ. No, actually, para. Yeah, that makes yeah, there you go. And then crassness toggle bold. And with that, bam. Look at that. That is amazing right there. JavaScript, you good. Nice. Look at that. All right. Next up, I believe that's all finished actually. We decrease the padding a little bit. Probably decrease it to 3 rem. I think that feels pretty good. Yeah, cool. Let's also change the H1 a little bit. Font size 20 pixels seems about right. Okay, never mind. 2 rem. 3 rem. 2.5. How's 2.2 rem? Okay, that looks pretty right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then we will give a increased margin bottom. Three? Oh dear, why is the space so much? Okay, nice. Okay, and with that, we will need to do the image. And this is going to be the most biggest challenge for me. Okay, so we got all the easy stuff gone. Well, easy stuff for me since JavaScript is the newest thing that I haven't learned. So how am I going to do this? Oh, actually. They need to add an image on what happens when you select all of them and not select them. Because does this image move? Does this image move like what happens here? Like does it go up? Does it stay in place? Does it well Does it stay in place or does it not stay in place? Because it all depends on what that's a problem. That is a problem. I'm guessing it moves. I'm just going to say that it moves. Yeah. Okay. So basically all I need to do is just change the position of this image. Okay. Which is in the main. So what we're going to do is transform, nope, not transform, sorry. Transform translate x and then just do like negative 10, 20, something like that. Yeah. 30? Oh, okay. 100. Yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah. Just increase it by a little bit, 10. Nice. All right. And then what we would do is do a overflow hidden so that it will hide that. And then we will also do... Oh, right. Right. Only select the image inside of the main. Oh, no. Select the image inside of the div in the main. That doesn't work because the... Oh, okay, cool. Select the div that has an image inside the main. It's fine. And then we would do a translate y, and it's 20 pixels. Yeah, cool. Because in coding, when you're trying to change the y-axis, bottom is positive and up is negative, which is quite confusing to math people. Okay, so let's decrease that a little bit more. And also, I believe the background image need to change a little bit as well. And let's decrease that by 50 RAM. Okay, stop. 40 RAM. No, I guess I can do negative 110 pixels to match with the translate. I lied. That's never mind. Don't do that. 33 RAM? This is going to be quite an interesting. Oh, it's exactly 36. No, it's not exactly 36 RAM. It's probably 35 RAM. Oh, I think I found it. 35.5. How about that? I don't know if my mouse is shaking or not though, which is a problem. Because I don't think I can make straight lines. But that looks pretty good. So let's lower the Y even more, 50 pixels. We increase that to 70. Okay, how's the image? It looks pretty good, but I think I'll need to increase the access a little bit as well to try to match it as with the image. All right, that looks pretty good, actually. Yeah, that looks really good. Hey. All right, that looks nice. Okay, now what? I guess the only thing you need to do now is actually just add the add box and then go on to create the mobile version, which is gonna be fun. Why? You should practice, people. Alright, what are we going to do with this? Definitely position absolute. But do we need a position relative? No, we need a position relative. I think I know where the relative is going to be, actually. Yeah, it's going to be in the image itself. So what I'm going to do is change that because I'm going to add another image. And then position relative. And then the last child is going to be position absolute. Nice. Left 0. Okay, never mind. Oh, real nice. Overflow visible. Oh, okay, never mind, or not. Oh, if I do Oh wait, I don't. How do I make this one visible? Overflow doesn't work like that because the main is hiding the. So what's. Did I put overflow in the wrong spot? Maybe. Main with a div that has a image inside, overflow hidden, and then probably like position relative. That is gonna be fun, is it? I guess I'll just give this an ID, call it the what is this called? Illustration room online desktop. I'm just gonna call this illustration. Illustration, so that means we will just do illustration row hidden. Nah, that does not really work how I thought it would, does it? No. Unless there's no padding. Yeah, okay. I think I got it. So then we would do position relative, and then for this image, which I am going to give it a ID of box image, I'm going to make the box image position absolute. Okay, all right, there we go. And we'll need to lower this by a little bit. Oh wait, no, stop. That looks pretty good. I wonder. You see this? Is that supposed to match up with this? That would be a good question. Does that match up with? Oh wait, no, stop it. Go backwards. Oh, that is really close. 75. Alright. I feel like it's supposed to match up, but if I do this, then yeah, if I do that, then it doesn't have the space that it seems like it has. Let's keep it at 50 then. Guess that looks about right. Nice. All right, and then for the box image, let's do. I always have a problem with absolute, really. It's kind of really hard to get the right. It's really good. Nah, not 50%, I would say. That thing looks really good, actually. Oh wait, no. 48. No, no, not 480. 40? Hey, okay. All right. Probably increase that by 2%. And let's see how this goes. Okay, it looks pretty good, I would say. But here's the thing, right? I'm unsure if this actually moves or not. They don't really give me much information. Wait. Oh, I'm missing something. Why did the hover disappeared? Yeah, why did the hover disappeared? Hover, where you go? FAQ, div, and then you hover over it, oh, unless I need to do like this with the, yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Got you. I think I should do something like that, I believe. Yeah, nice. Okay. Now, this is interesting that I just found. You see how in the image, right? You see this box? When they unhover over this, the box moved to the right a little bit. You see this? Why? Why did they hover and then everything moved? Am I supposed to do that, or did they did something wrong? um, no, this is definitely something that I need to do because there's no way that they made this mistake. Yeah, this is definitely not something that they have done by accident. Yeah, that's impossible. That's no way. All right, so basically, So basically, when I hover over it, I will need to move the box to the left. Over? Okay. That doesn't look right. Because as you can see from the image, the whole entire div moves. Is that supposed to be like that? It's just too much of a... It doesn't move. Let's say I do this, right? I can definitely move the box, but why does the entire div move? Like the entire main card? What do you guys do? Because it can't be moving the card from the box because the box moved with the... I don't know. I don't actually know. Is that supposed to... Uh... Yeah, I don't know. There's not much information. I guess I just make it however I want, I guess. I mean, sure. I can do that. Oh, actually, no. There's not much information. I'm just gonna say this is just done for me. Alright, mobile version, let's go. Okay, see here, the mobile version is 375 pixels. Let's do this. Let's do 375 pixels. Oh, there, what happened? I think I can now then. Alright, 375 pixels. Oh, wait, hold up. 375 pixels. Okay. Now what is the first thing we need to change? Let's see here. I think we'll need to remove the image completely because we have a mobile version images. Oh, there's also a background. That's also cool. Yeah, we got this for it. So, How am I gonna do this? When the window goes to there, I guess I can change the... Wait, no. This is a... Wait, hold on a second. Is this supposed... Is this meant to be a background image? Yeah. Um... Uh... Supposed to be background image? That would make sense. No, because that's going to be a whole nother problem. Oh. Oh, damn. Okay, what? Okay, let's see here. But first, what I need to do is change the main itself. So let's do media, media screen, and the max width is 375 pixels. So when you get there, the main fax direction is going to turn into a column. Okay, nice. And then we'll need to like hide this illustration, so the illustration itself is going to be hidden. Display none. We'll also get rid of the box image. So the box image is also display hidden. Display hidden? No display hidden? Why is this unable to display? Display hidden? Wait, hold on. What is that? Oh, is it because it is a position of the node where the space is? Element is treated as a block or inline element. Yeah, that's why. Because it's absolute, it's not a block or an inline. That's why it doesn't work. Got you. Okay, cool. The more you learn, people. The more you learn. All right. Now, what is making it? What is forcing it to be like this? Probably. Do we have a? We still have a height. I would thought the background image would not be like that. Why is it doing that? Back, search bar, enter center, center. Align item center, no repeat, cover. Is it because of the height? No, that's not because of the height. Is it because of the effects? That can't be it. No, effects doesn't really work that way. Should before. About 980. Let's change that to 980. Okay, and bam. Okay, so when the side hits the... Got you. Okay, I see now. Because this has a... Yeah, because this has a rift to it, doesn't it? No, it can't because of this. That's impossible, right? Yeah, that's not what's making it. Ah, there we go. There it is. So without this, it should be fine, which means we will need to make another media screen and max width down here. And we will just copy and paste this basically. And then we will make the width auto, let it do it themselves, and hopefully that will help a little bit. 375. Okay, what do we do? Probably we get rid of the padding as well. Padding probably like 1 rem now to make it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Oh, as for the main, let's also get rid of the padding as well. Probably 1 rem of padding, and then we can get rid of the padding here. That looks pretty good. Can you still... Oh. Uh-oh. I believe we will still need a... I believe you still need a riff. So the riff is 375 from here to here. So what would this be? How do I make it like this? It's the width of this. 299, so I'm going to do about 300 width. How about that? Alright, that seems pretty good, ain't gonna? That looks quite real. Yeah, that looks not bad. They open what is maximum file upload size. Okay. What I do need to do is to change the font rate a little bit. So let's edit the paragraph inside of the even the font size. What is your font size normally? It's either 12 or 16. It's 16. Okay, let's make it 14 pixels. How about that? How does it look like? It looks alright. Yeah, that doesn't look that bad. Okay. Oh, also we need to change the background. Background to none. Oh, okay. Don't do that. Nope. Stop. Don't do that. Image to none. Okay, right. We will also need to change the H1. Let's do it here. The H1 is text align center. And we will also get rid of the margin bottom because we don't need that. Let's change it to 1 because I believe that is all we need. Yep. Alright, and then finally, for the last thing we do, for the stream. It is the almighty image, and I shall call this absolute positioning. Yeah. Yeah. How are we going to do this? We are going to just oh, let me check something real quick. Boop. Hey, that's not bad. Anyway. I guess what I can do is add another media where like maybe another div where like if the screen gets within a certain width, it will hide that and then show illustration. Yeah, let's do that. So let's create another div, and we are go. Do we want it to be a div actually? Because we could just do a image and then do absolute positioning with the main itself or the FAQ itself. So first, let's edit the background image a little bit, because this is not going to be the background pattern. We are going to do the mobile version. And where is it? I have no idea actually. Background position, let's change that to the 0, 0, 0. Where are you? There you are. And we want you to be in the center. So let's do like. Hold on a second, that's the wrong one. Yeah, that's the wrong one. Oops. Hey, nice. How up does this need to be? No, that looks about right, I would say. Cool. As for the image, I feel like I wanted to do this. Yeah. Better give this the ID of a mobile box image. No, mobile illustration image. MG. Images, and then it would be illustration for the mobile. Nice, nice, nice. And then we will do absolute positioning for it, which means FAQ, you are going to be position relative, and then, oh, wait, stop, no, don't do that, just in case something breaks. Position relative, and then we are going to make it so that the mobile illustration, which is going to be here, because this is connected to this, illustration ID, and then we are going to do position absolute. Nice. Not quite. Not. Wait, hold a second. No, I don't think I want to do that, do I? Let me think about this for a second. How would this work? Is there just a... Oh, wait. No. Because you won't be able to see the overflow hidden with this part. Oh, maybe they have overflow. Okay, I see this. Overflow display. Visible. So what? Wait a second. Oh, that just doesn't have a display. Got you. Display overflow, and then we can do precision absolute. Yeah, let's do precision absolute. Is it possible just to do another background image? I believe so. Let's try it. So let's get rid of this plan. And then I would do your URL, and then this is going to be the desktop. If I remember correctly, this is how I do it, hopefully. I think that should be fine. Negative 50% up. Okay, 100% up. Oh, the overflow is visible. Why is this not? Main. Oh, because this is a background, not a image. That's why you can. Let's get rid of this overflow. We are instead going to just go with my original pen and put the pen and image here. So top is going to be negative 50%. Nice. And then left is going to be maybe like negative 50. No, like 0. Yeah, that looks about right. And then what we're going to do with this is just add a huge margin. Oh, yeah. So we are going to, with the FAQ, add a huge margin. Like 10 RAM or something like that. Probably not that much. No, actually, that not that much. 5 RAM seems to be quite good, right? And let's add a little bit more. 8 RAM. How's 8 RAM? Okay, that. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Nice. Okay, and then we'll just need to move this a little bit down. Hold up, does the image move when I do this? Oh, it does. Nice. Cool. So we want something like this when the user presses this, right? Well, you can't really tell with the design, actually. They don't really give you that much information. But I'm going to assume that that's going to be the case. So I'm going to do exactly that. How's that? All right, that's pretty good. Nice. Okay. Next up, we will need to do something about the width a little bit. 100 pixels? No. No, because this is absolute, and if I try to do auto, it won't work. Yeah. Sneeze there. Ooh, I know exactly what I can do. I can look at the width of this, which is 300, and probably go with 250. How about, oh wait, hold on a second, 250 pixels. How about that? You know what, that looks good, that looks good. So what we're going to do is do 50% with the left. Okay, don't do that. 25%. That will doesn't work. No. Oh great. 10? 11? 12? Hey! Not bad. And then for the top, let's lower that down by like 20. Okay, never mind. 25? How 25? Ooh. Do I make this to 20 and then I press, oh wait, hold on a second. Can I make this exact real quick? 12.5. There we go, nice. Bam. How is that? That looks pretty good. Maybe I can increase it to 23. How's negative 23 looking like? Oh yeah, look at that. That's how you do that, everybody. Look at that. I think I also want to change the font of the paragraphs a little bit as well. Now I'm trying to look for the paragraph that is in the div itself. Change it to 12 pixels, probably. Yeah, somewhere around there. That does seem like there's some kind of padding on the right side, so... Good. Nice. Oh, there. What happened to you? Oh, okay. What? Say what now? Alright, I need to hide some stuff. Big one. No, that change. What changed with it? I will need to... Okay, when the media screen and the minimum width is 980 pixels, I guess, to hide the visibility of mobile animation image. Nice. Okay, now what is also the problem here? Fixed direction column. I don't think so. That has, yeah, that's... Well, it doesn't say actually. So I guess I would do something like main fixed direction row. Not the problem. Okay. Okay, what happens? What makes it like this? I'm also missing the box image. Hidden? The beauty visible. Nope, it's just not here. Got you. What is... So we're going to margin top with heading number. But yeah, about the background image of this, I don't think so. No. Is the box image just gone? Why did it just like disappeared? The beauty, visible box image? No, wait, no, not the box image. The illustration. Yeah. Do I just need to display visible? Where it goes? What happened? Okay, why are you guys all the way over here? Padding with block. Mobile illustration, that shouldn't be a problem because I should be, oh, because that's hidden. Well, so if I get rid of this, there we go. Okay, cool. So basically, I need to somehow fix this. Got you. Visibility hidden and probably position absolute. Okay. Okay, cool. Everything looks fine now, right? It's just, oh, shoot. Okay. Panicking would never. Hey, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. And this stream. Oh, wait, hold on a second. Don't want to do that? Sure. Volunteer, your name, me. Nice. And for the link, and I shall just put it right here. That's going to be my link. Alright. And with this, thanks for watching, and I shall see you all next time. That's that, Chum Chumpy. Whew.